Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Claudia from Universitas Indonesia, and today I will present my article entitled Factors that Motivate Street Children in Making Decisions to Get Out of Street Life in Jakarta. So, the background of this article is the existence of street children seems to have become a daily phenomenon in big cities in Indonesia. Even though their existence should be taken care of by the state, as mandated by Article 34 of the Constitution, that the poor and neglected children shall be taken care of by the state. The reality on the ground shows that these provisions cannot yet be fully implemented. Every child has various needs that are the right of the child, which includes physical needs, security needs, the needs to love and be loved, the need for appreciation, and the need to actualize himself. The needs and rights of these children cannot be fulfilled properly. This makes street children in Indonesia become a complex social problem. The limited skill possessed have caused them to do activities such as selling on the roadside, busking, begging, and other activities that are considered to be negative by the community. Although street life is precarious for children, it is not easy for street children to live or get out of street life. Motivation to leave the road is not only based on different experiences, but also the child's own choice to leave the road can create motivation itself. However, some children are motivated to get out of street life because they have transformed into stable person and have strong desire to move forward and improve their lives. Data collection was carried out in DKI Jakarta, and the research informants consists of former street children who had successfully escaped from street life. And this study aims to find out how physiological needs and self-experiences affect the motivation of street children to get out of street life. Method. The study used descriptive qualitative methods. This research illustrated how physiological needs and self-experiences motivated street children in making decisions to get out of street life. Data collection techniques carried out using primary and secondary data sources. Primary data was obtained through in-depth interview with informant selection techniques using purposive sampling and snowball. Secondary data was obtained through literature and documents to support field research data. And discussion. So, the factors that motivate street children to get out of street, the first one is physiological needs. Based on depth interview, street children want to get out of street life because of the very essential and basic needs or physiological needs for their survival, namely income, money, for vital daily needs, adequate food, drink, and shelter. Physiological needs are the most basic potential for all other fulfillment needs, such as safety needs, love needs, self-esteem needs, and self-actualization. The physiological needs are essential because if these needs are not met, then other needs are automatically not met. They also want to have a decent living for themselves and their family because they think if they get a decent job and steady income, they can fulfill their physiological needs and get out from the street life. The factors that motivate street children to get out of the street, the second is self-experiences. So, based on the interview result, it is recognized that street children have different experiences. Emotional experiences while living on the street encourage them to get out of the lives of the street children. The first one, this experience include, the first one is getting other people affections. Street children usually live on the streets with their friends. The close relationship is felt like one's own family. However, when there are things that make him lose his affection, he will look for another subject of affection. Affection seems to be crucial for the street children, as their parents' source of affection for any child are not around. The second is losing a loved one. The experience of losing of loved one gives a deep feeling to the street children. It could be said that this experience is a traumatic experience that is turning point for a street children to be out of street children. And the third is feeling threatened. There are traumatic experiences with street children's friend, namely criminal activities such as being robbed, pickpocketing, being chased by security officers, and being offered to use prohibited substances by friends who are addicted to drugs. Criminal acts among street children seems to be regarded as common. They have even been stigmatized by this negative label. The various negative incident experience have made informants feel threatened, and then the criminal action threatened them that street is not a safe place for them. Further, the result of the research that have been carried out show the influences which motivate informants to get out of street life. The influence from within is the existence of positive self-concept, that he understands his strength. There is a drive in him to change and fight for a better future. The self-concept of John Robert Power is self-awareness and understanding, which includes who am I, what are my abilities, what are my weaknesses, what are my strengths, what are my roles, and what are my desires. Every human being tends to develop himself for a change, the betterment for more mature, in more positive direction. These are what some informants experience, so they are sure to move from the streets. So the conclusion is street children are children who are excluded, marginalized from the treatment of affection because most of a relatively early age has had to deal with harsh city environments and even very unfriendly. Children who are supposed to get an education, playtime, affection, and others are forced to work to help their parents. The limited skill possessed to make them carry out activities such as selling on the side of the road, busking, begging, and other activities that are considered harmful by the community, even though they also want to have a good education and a decent living. So, based on the result of the study, it can also be concluded that the physiological needs of the street children, inside and outside, and self-experiences of the street children provide a significant role in the decision of street children to live a street life. These basic needs contains elements needed by humans in maintaining physiological and psychological balance, which aim to maintain life. If these elements are not met, then it will be difficult to achieve good survival and achieve the fulfillment or other needs. Here it is, my article, Factors that Motivate Street Children in Making Decisions to Get Out of Street Life in Jakarta. Thank you very much and good afternoon.